Welcome back to another Empties. Today we're doing the Walmart and other stores. The Dollar Tree is always a separate video. Jump right in. I have these shea butter wipes from the Dollar General. 64 wipes for like $1.80 or something. Pretty good. I like these wipes if I don't have the Parents' Choice. Next up is several Parents' Choice packages. So I don't know when the last time is I did an Empties. This one's kind of small, but I wanted to do it anyways to get rid of the trash. So there's 4 packs of Parents' Choice Powder Fresh. I use these for makeup. For Connor, I have them, in my purse. I just have wipes everywhere. But so 4 of those and two of the shea butter wipes from Parents' Choice. Love these too. My favorites are the Powder Fresh though. And I have an Empty Axe deodorant. John likes the Phoenix scent, and this is his Empty. Most of the time I don't even catch John's Empties because he just throws his stuff right away. And I keep my Empties to share with you guys and do mini reviews. And he likes this deodorant. It's good. It smells great too. I have an Empty Onyx nail polish remover. Almost always have one of those in my Empties videos. A beauty item I have, the only one I have, is the brow shaping gel from Color Workshop. It's pretty nasty, and yeah, it's just time to move on. I have 2 perfumes. Not sure if I showed this one in the last video, but it was still in my basket. So it's Be Joyful from Bath & Body Works. I like this scent. Finally used it up. And then the next one I have is Country Apple, and I'm almost done with the lotion to Joyful. So that'll be soon. Country Apple, one of my favorite scents. I'm sad it's gone. So I'm going to be on the lookout and purchase more when they come available. Love Country Apple. It's been one of my favorites since high school. Yeah, can you believe that? And I've been out of high school for a really long time, like 11, 12 years. I have Empty Waxes. I have the Better Homes and Gardens Holiday Edition Wonderful Winter. This one was great. Clean, crisp, like snowy scent. Loved it. Outdoor scent. Also from Better Homes and Gardens, limited edition Spicy Cinnamon Stick. This is my favorite limited edition scent. And when they bring it back, I always try to get at least 2 of them to put back. It smells amazing. It's more potent than the regular cinnamon they usually carry. And I just love it. I love it. Next wax I have is from Mainstays, and it's the Rustic Pine. And just like it suggests, it's a pine scent. A very pine, just potent pine. And I also like to mix the Wonderful Winter and the pine scent together. They smell awesome together. One more beauty thing. I had 2 empty Biore pore strips. Me and my husband like to do those sometimes. And they're great. Highly recommend pore strips for your nose or wherever you might have a pore problem. And you can even cut them up and use them in different areas that maybe they're not made for your nose or your forehead, So keep that in mind. And they're just great. Last item I have to share with you guys is a candle. It's from the Dollar General. And it's the True Living Vanilla Chai or Chi Snickerdoodle Donut and Apple Cinnamon. It's a 17 ounce candle. It was $5. I did get it on sale, I believe. And yes, I was very excited. It did smell really good. It burnt great all up until here. Till the favorite part of the candle for me would have been. Now I'm disappointed. I've dug that wick out several times and tried to get it to continue on. It just keeps smothering out. And honestly, I'm just done fooling with it. And it was a good candle. In the future, I don't think I'll purchase anymore just because what if it does this again? That's a waste of $5 when I could go to Walmart and get a Walnut Avenue candle that I know will burn phenomenal for $5 and has great throws. So I don't know. I'm going to pass on this again in the future. But overall, I did like the scent and that it burnt great so far down. But yeah, that is the Empties video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more Empties videos, hauls, makeup tutorials, all kinds of fun stuff. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already so you don't miss any other upcoming videos. And check the description box for additional links. Thank you guys always for watching.